Are your legs getting weaker and you're struggling with balance or stiffness? Most people think this is just normal aging, but it's actually one of the first signs of muscle loss that can be stopped and even reversed. Today I'm sharing 3 science-backed vitamins that can rebuild your leg strength, support your nerves, and improve blood flow to your lower body. No expensive treatments or strenuous workouts needed. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips that can change your life. Let's dive in. Here's something that might shock you. Adults over 60 lose between 1 to 3% of their muscle mass every single year, according to the American Geriatric Society. But here's what most people don't realize. Your legs are usually the first to show weakness, making simple tasks like standing up from a chair or climbing stairs suddenly difficult. This muscle loss happens silently. There's no pain, no swelling, no warning signs. One day you're fine, and the next day you need help just to get out of your favorite chair. The medical term for this is sarcopenia, and it affects millions of older adults. But here's the encouraging news. Scientific research shows that 3 specific vitamins can help rebuild strength, support nerve function, and improve circulation in your lower body. These aren't just theories or health trends. They're backed by real clinical studies and decades of professional experience. Whether you're having trouble walking upstairs, getting out of a chair, or you simply want to maintain your independence, leg strength is absolutely essential. Today we'll explore these 3 vital vitamins that support muscle repair, nerve health, and blood flow, along with practical tips on how to add them to your daily routine. Number 1, vitamin B12 for nerves and muscle activation. Let's start with vitamin B12, which is crucial for your leg strength but often overlooked. This vitamin plays a vital role in nerve conduction, which is basically how your brain communicates with your muscles. Think of it as the electrical wiring system in your body. When you're low on B12, that communication breaks down. You might experience numbness, tingling, or weakness in your legs. This is especially common in seniors because our bodies become less efficient at absorbing B12 as we age. Your stomach produces less of the acid needed to extract B12 from food, which means even if you're eating B12-rich foods, you might not be getting enough. Here's what makes B12 so powerful for your legs. It supports the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your working muscles. Better oxygen delivery means your leg muscles can work harder and recover faster. B12 also helps maintain the protective coating around your nerves, ensuring clear signals from your brain to your leg muscles. You can get B12 from meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals. However, if you're over 60, you might need sublingual tablets that dissolve under your tongue, or even B12 injections, because these bypass your digestive system entirely. Most experts recommend at least 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily if you're supplementing. Number 2, vitamin E for blood flow and endurance. Next up is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that works wonders for your leg circulation and endurance. This vitamin is like a shield that protects your muscles from oxidative stress, which is basically damage from free radicals that builds up over time. Here's why better circulation matters so much for your legs. When blood flows efficiently to your leg muscles, it delivers oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. This means your muscles can work longer without getting tired, and they recover faster after activity. Vitamin E also helps keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. As we age, our blood vessels can become stiff and narrow, reducing blood flow to our extremities. Vitamin E helps maintain the elasticity of these vessels, ensuring your leg muscles get the blood supply they need. You can find vitamin E in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. If you're considering supplements, look for mixed tocopherols, not just alpha-tocopherol. This gives you the full spectrum of vitamin E benefits. Around 100 to 200 IU daily is typically safe for most people. Here's a pro tip. Combine vitamin E with vitamin C or CoQ10 to enhance its antioxidant benefits. These nutrients work together like a team, each making the others more effective. Number 3, vitamin D, the muscle repair powerhouse. Now for the big one, vitamin D. Most people know vitamin D is important for bones, but it's absolutely crucial for muscle strength too. This vitamin plays a critical role in muscle protein synthesis, which is how your body repairs and builds stronger muscle fibers. Low vitamin D levels have been directly linked to reduced lower body strength and an increased risk of falls in older adults. In fact, studies show that people with adequate vitamin D levels have significantly better leg strength and balance compared to those who are deficient. Here's how vitamin D works its magic. It helps your muscles absorb calcium more effectively, which is essential for muscle contractions. It also supports the development of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are the ones you need for quick movements like catching yourself if you start to fall. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight, but many older adults don't get enough sun exposure. You can also get it from fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. However, it's often difficult to get enough from food alone. If you're considering supplements, look for D3, also called cholecalciferol, which is more effective than D2. Most seniors need 800 to 2,000 IU daily, but this depends on your blood levels. Always check with your doctor first. Here's a crucial tip. Take vitamin D with a meal containing fat. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means it needs fat to be absorbed properly. Try taking it with breakfast alongside eggs or avocado toast. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that like button now. It really helps us reach more people who need this information. How to combine these vitamins for maximum effect. Now that you know about these 3 powerful vitamins, let me show you how to stack them smartly for the best results. Timing and combination matter more than you might think. Start your day by taking vitamin D with breakfast, ideally alongside healthy fats like eggs, avocado toast, or a handful of nuts. This gives your body all day to process and use the vitamin D effectively. Take your B12 mid-morning, especially if you're using sublingual tablets. If you have digestive issues, the sublingual form is particularly helpful because it bypasses your stomach entirely. B12 works well on its own and doesn't need to be taken with food. Save vitamin E for your main meal of the day. This helps with absorption and reduces the chance of any stomach upset. Since vitamin E is also fat-soluble, taking it with your largest meal ensures you're getting the maximum benefit. Remember, these vitamins work best when combined with proper hydration and light exercise. Even simple activities like walking or using resistance bands help your body use these nutrients more efficiently. The movement increases blood flow, which helps deliver the vitamins to where they're needed most. Important safety information. Before we wrap up, I need to mention some important safety information. While these vitamins are generally safe, it's always wise to talk with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're taking medications. Some medications can interact with these vitamins, and certain medical conditions might require different dosages. Your doctor can also order blood tests to check your current levels and help you determine the right amounts for your specific situation. Also, remember that more isn't always better. Taking excessive amounts of fat-soluble vitamins like D and E can actually be harmful. Stick to recommended dosages and focus on consistency rather than megadoses. Your path to stronger legs. The truth is, you don't need extreme workouts or expensive equipment to strengthen your legs. By supporting your body with the right nutrients, you're giving your muscles, nerves, and blood flow exactly what they need to rebuild and perform at their best. These 3 vitamins work together like a team. Vitamin D helps repair and build muscle. B12 ensures your nerves can communicate effectively with those muscles, and vitamin E keeps the blood flowing efficiently to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Remember, it's never too late to start taking better care of your legs. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, your body has an amazing ability to respond to proper nutrition and care. You deserve to stay strong, independent, and active for years to come. Start with one vitamin and gradually add the others. Pay attention to how you feel after a few weeks. Do you have more energy? Are you steadier on your feet? Can you climb stairs more easily? These small improvements can make a huge difference in your daily life. Which of these 3 vitamins are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single comment and love hearing about your experiences and questions. If this video helped you understand how to strengthen your legs naturally, please give a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this information. Your share could help someone maintain their independence and mobility. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our health tips. We're constantly sharing science-backed information that can help you age with strength and confidence. Drop a comment if you want a follow-up video on exercises or meal plans that work perfectly with these vitamins. I'm always happy to create content that helps you stay strong and healthy. Thanks for watching, and remember, stronger legs start with the right nutrition. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.